Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. I just want to start actually on the larger time frame and explain again where we're coming from. Looking at the daily chart here for Link, and I explained, I think in yesterday's video, that we're likely working on this C wave in wave B, right? It's just, question is, has the B wave bottomed here? Or has the B wave bottomed here as a triangle? It's a little bit weird. There are many questions that still need to be answered, but don't always expect that the chart always gives you the one answer. I could even say maybe this was the E wave low here, okay? And we just have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's possible as well. I think I start to like that even more, but we need to see how this develops. For now, the trend is up. I'm watching if the market can generate another 5-wave move up, because what I'm tracking on the smaller time frame is a 5-wave move. So it is entirely possible that we're doing this 5 waves up in another wave 1, then we get wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, so that's what I'm tracking now. That might be another 1-2 setup in wave 3, or, and I don't want to make it too complicated, but if the B wave finished there as a triangle, it's just going to move up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. So you don't always need to have the answer to be able to trade based on the levels and everything, right? So the trend is up, and there are support levels I'm tracking, and so far the market is following the projection for higher prices. And also, if you watched yesterday's short-term updates, then you know that the idea was that the price should reach $23 next. We seem to be on our way to $23 right now. That's the green line here, and that is the 2024 swing high. Substantial resistance most likely in that area. And then there will be a wave 2 pullback. I shouldn't say there will. There should be a wave 2 pullback. Sometimes in a third wave, because you see it. I mean, we've had a lot of pullbacks. Okay, so I think we had enough pullbacks. We don't need more pullbacks. Please note that at any point now, we could really an upside breakout, a true upside breakout. Because technically speaking, the next move up should really be quite aggressive. It's a third wave, right? In both of these scenarios, I'm tracking a third wave could be coming. So $23 is next, most likely, and then if we break above it, it unlocks the door to 31, and then we can get to round about $46, $47. 47 has been my target for quite some time for this C wave, so let's see if we actually get there. We're approaching basically, as you can see here, the upper range boundary. There's, we've been in this range now for 2020, not for 2024, but since 2024, in a flat correction, and it's about time, right? So that's what the working assumption is. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame for Link, and this is these are the nanostructures I'm tracking here, as I just explained to you on the larger time frame. A 5th wave up. I'm tracking a 5th wave up, and that could lead to a 1-2 setup, which I just shared with you. So first of all, it's important to recognize we have 5 waves up now from the June low. But if I look at the 5th wave, we should ideally still go higher. And this is the blue zone in which wave 5 of 1 should complete. Now, I think it's important to recognize that if we get above $25, this is going to be a little too high for a 5th wave. And I would assume we are maybe in a very direct move up to $30 and then 47, yeah? Basically, what at the moment needs to hold for upside trend continuation is the $18.50 level. That's the 50% retracement of the last rally. As long as this level is holding, the direct move up can continue to unfold. And so I don't think there's much more to say. $21 is like micro resistance, but the area here around 23 could be a bit stronger. But we see a lot of breaks above resistances these days, yeah? We had XRP attack now. XRP has not broken resistance actually, but it's approaching 340. Ethereum has broken above the critical $4,100 level, so $23 might be somewhat comparable. Not exactly, but somewhat comparable. So yeah, I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, feel free to join us on X for additional updates. Find lots of different chart updates here, also of coins that we don't cover on YouTube. plus like mindset stuff, other stuff about trading, crypto, technical analysis. Feel free to join our community here as well. I post a link in the description and comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.